Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to reset the oil life on your Lincoln Nautilus. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is in the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, locate your information display, typically found in the instrument cluster. Using the controls on your steering wheel, you'll want to navigate through the menus until you find the settings option. This is your starting point for accessing the maintenance features. Once you're in the settings menu, look for and select the vehicle option. This section contains various vehicle-specific adjustments and maintenance reminders. Within the vehicle menu, you should see an option clearly labeled Oil Life Reset. Select this option to initiate the reset process. It's a straightforward step that brings you closer to completing the task. To perform the actual reset, you'll need to press and hold the OK button on your steering wheel. Keep holding it down for about 5 seconds. You'll notice the display change, indicating that the reset is in progress. Once complete, the oil life percentage will show 100%, confirming that the system has been successfully reset. This action clears the previous oil life calculation. After the reset, double-check your information display to ensure the oil life now reads 100%. This confirms the procedure was successful. It's crucial to remember that resetting the oil life indicator does not replace the need for actual oil changes. Always refer to your Lincoln Nautilus Owner's Manual for recommended oil change intervals, typically around 7,500 to 10,000 miles or every 6 to 12 months, depending on driving conditions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.